Now we are taking our frame and our microcontroller. Now we are connecting microcontroller with our frame. It's done. Now we are taking our L298 3D and connecting it with our battery connector. It's done. Now we are connecting our Arduino and L298 with each other. It's also done. Now we are connecting our bow motors with L298 3D. Now we are connecting our ultrasonic sensor with L298 3D. Now all the connections are done. Now we are joining the wheels. It's done. Now we are connecting our 9-volt battery. Now all the connections are done and we are uploading the code into this.